If you're looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2018 Toyota RAV4 LE in Super White. With fully automatic headlamps, electronic stability control, 17-inch steel wheels, power door mirrors, LED tail lamps, power driver seat, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 5-inch touchscreen display, backup camera, distance pacing cruise control, 60/40 split folding rear seats, height adjustable rear cargo area, 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.